So, hi students, today we will discuss about some important equations, chemical reactions from the alkenes and alkynes mainly. So, alkanes from alkanes, halogenation reaction, halogenation. So, halogenation reactions, if you see the chlorination, chlorination. So, the attacking selectivity selectivity value for primary hydrogen and secondary hydrogen and tertiary hydrogen. So here primary hydrogen is 1 time, secondary hydrogen 3.82, tertiary hydrogen 5 times. So for example, so if you take CH3, 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 if I take this molecule here, so this is a primary, this is also primary, this is also primary, this is a secondary, this is a tertiary. So these primary carbons, these primary hydrogens or primary carbons are attached to tertiary, this primary is attached to secondary. So these two are different with this. So these are primary A, this is primary B. So primary A equal how many hydrogens to total? 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogens. So the selectivity value is number of hydrogens into, so number of hydrogens for primary hydrogen attacking chance. So attacking chance, if you see attacking ability, so number of primary hydrogens, number of hydrogens into selectivity value, selectivity value. So for primary hydrogens, primary hydrogens 6 into selectivity value 1 more, so equal to 6 times. So and primary B equal to number of hydrogens, so 3 into selectivity value 1 equal to 3 times. So and for secondary there are 2 hydrogens, value 3.8 equal to 7.6. For tertiary hydrogens, primary hydrogens. So tertiary hydrogen only 1, the selectivity value 5 equal to 5. So which is having highest value? Secondary. Secondary is having highest value, so that's why. So upon chlorination, the major product formed is at secondary position because selectivity value is more. So the product is CH3, CH3H, CHCl, CH. This is the major. So total possible products equal to number of types of hydrogens. How many types? So primary A one type, primary B one type, secondary one type, tertiary one type. So to 1, 2, 3, 4 type of products. Total 4 types of products. Total 4 types of products. But in that major is attacked to primary hydrogen. Sorry, secondary hydrogen. For the case of bromination, it is for bromination, the attacking chance is tertiary hydrogen is highly reactive than secondary hydrogen than primary hydrogen. So always more we are for tertiary, then after secondary, then after primary hydrogen atoms. So exam type of question in this halogenation reactions, generally fluorination is violent reaction and iodination is reversible reaction. So that's why HiO3 or HNO3 is added for the stopping reversibility of iodination. So okay, here are the question, exam type of question. The number of total isomers, isomers, including stereoisomers, total isomers possible for following molecule upon monochlorination, that is So monochlorination of this molecule can give so how many products? Monochlorination in the presence of light. Monochlorination, if you take, how many total isomers? So there are types of hydrogens. First you write this is primary A, this is also primary A, this is a secondary, this is primary B type, this is a tertiary. So all hydrogens displace and substitute with chlorine. So first primary hydrogen I am displacing CH2 chlorine, one of the hydrogen displaces. Monochlorination means one chlorine displaces one hydrogen only. So now CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this primary both are same. You can write chlorine here or here, you will get the same product. So here chlorination gives the same because these are chemically identical. These two carbons and 6 hydrogens are chemically identical. So 6 hydrogens replace gives only single product. And 1 and 2. Displacement of primary B. Primary B you can displace. Okay, primary B. So CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Next third product is from secondary. Displacement of secondary hydrogen. Next fourth one by displacement of tertiary hydrogen. Only hydrogens can be displaced but not carbons. So here total possible products 1, 2, 3, 4. Only possible products are 4 products. But here the possible stereoisomers. The question is including stereo. Stereoisomers mean you can take the optical isomers also. Optical isomers mean you see chiral center. Where is the existence of chiral center? So if you see for this molecule here 2 hydrogens, chiral centers mean 4 different groups. The carbon which is attached to 4 different groups. This is not chiral. This is a chiral center because hydrogen, ethyl, methyl, chloromethyl. So this is chiral center. And also, and in this case there is no chiral because these are 2 methyl groups, CH2 and CH2 not. And the ketha of this molecule, these are not, but this is the chiral center. It having chiral center, and this is a no molecule. So if chiral center are exist in the nature, there are 2 molecules exist. One is a dextro compound, one is a levo compound. So we are considering if it is a dextro compound, another its mirror image levo is exist. And for this also, if it is dextro, another is levo exist. So including stereoisomers, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 isomers are possible. Total 6 isomers. 6 isomers. Total 6 isomers. In this optical isomers mean 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 are optical isomers. 4 are optical isomers. That means stereoisomers. 4 and remaining 2 are normal chain isomers. If the question is the total number of isomers excluding stereoisomers, excluding mean without optical isomers, then you can take 1, 2, 3, 4 only you can consider. 4 molecules only you consider. So this is about exam type of question.